via rail for a trip to Montreal this weekend. That's a nice view of the lake there. Early in the morning. Sunset coming up. Lots of wide open space up here. Farmers' fields. Autumn corn. Crossed over into Quebec. Lots of big farms here.
International Pierre-Elliott Trudeau, vous devez descendre à cet arrêt. N'oubliez pas de récupérer tous vos effets personnels avant de quitter le train. Merci, au plaisir de vous servir bientôt.
Skyline of Montreal in the distance there. Montreal Central Station. Now I head to my hotel, Hotel Chrome, where I had the Heavy Montreal contest festival tonight. Alright, let's get going. Welcome to Montreal. Gorgeous day in Montreal. Take a quick look around here. Finally arrived, Hotel Chrome, downtown Montreal, and this is what $250 a night gets you. Very expensive. 3-star. Nice though, they checked me in early, so go from there. Go check out Montreal now. Here we are, Montreal. I am at Chinatown now, which is just down the street from my Hotel Chrome, and heading down to the old city for a cerveza or two. Here today in Montreal, beautiful, beautiful weather. Just walking through Chinatown here, Montreal. Demonstration there. Old Montreal by day. Saturday, just got here. Very Euro. The port, go down there a little bit later. First I'm going to find a place to have a beer and a burger. Typical lunch affair here. Got some brisket inside some small tacos. Sitting here in Old Montreal with Mona Mia here. This row here. Some nice restaurants here. Just finished a nice little cappuccino. Now that's a burger. Market for all of North America, the first market. That's a nice place right there. Gorgeous day in Old Montreal. Mind you, Montreal is no longer a cheap destination. I just paid $50 for 2 cappuccinos and a taco. Marsha, bonus gior. Marché, bonus gior. Alright, heading down to the waterfront now. See what's going on down there. Always something going on in Montreal. Especially in this late fall or early fall, long weekend into September. Okay, at the Montreal waterfront now. Hello, bonjour. Lots of maple syrup, handicrafts. Oh, to get some Montreal stuff here. Maybe a Montreal coffee mug for my buddy Steve. He's got quite a collection happening now. I bring him coffee mugs from all around the world.
What are these? Maui gems?
And there's the food court right there. Busy down here. Looks like there's a bar on top of that building up there here in Old Montreal. I might check that out at some point. Probably a pretty good view. Everybody's down here. The whole city's down here today. This is formerly the site of the World's Fair, World Expo in 1967. A wedding party there. Got a Canadian naval warship over there. I think that's one of the new Arctic coastal gunboats, patrol boats. Temperatures really got up today. I can't believe how hot it is. It's warm now. Funny thing is, everybody's walking around with pants on. I don't see too many people out with shorts on. The old port of Montreal. A little bit of a party going on down there. Beautiful day at Old Montreal. Alright, en route to Mtes here shortly to go for the Heavy Montreal festival with Extreme and Living Color at the Mtes Theatre. Good thing I brought a jacket. Sure cools down in the evening here. Big night in Montreal. Other than this concert, the hockey game's on, Leafs versus Habs. Also, the soccer game's on, Montreal FC and San Jose Earthquakes. I'm not sure why there's such a big lineup already. So does it start, or it doesn't open the doors for another hour. The menu. I'm getting the number 6. Not a cheap place. Fries, fresh cut fries, and a donair at La Belle Provence here, which is a big Quebec chain. $20 for that right there. Pre-concert food. Finally moving. Right around the corner. Alright, inside the Mtes Theatre. Boy, it's a big place. Really big place.
Chinatown, let it bleed. Chinatown, all you need. Chinatown, let it bleed.
Just finished leaving the concert there. My back is sore. Very good performance by Extreme. Though I don't know all their songs, but very good performance nonetheless. They gave their money's worth. They gave everybody their money's worth, and now I'm headed to Saint Denis, which is one of my more favorite areas to hang out on a Saturday night in Montreal. Let's see what's going on. It's good weather for this time of year, which partly explains why the patio over here, St. Bach, here in St. Denis Street, is busy. Pretty good band back there.